to Python data types. Now, a data type is just a kind of information a variable can hold, such as text, numbers. You can store different values. Now, when we're talking about data type, this is just a simple example. So far, we've been storing a variable age, and we have something stored to it like this, right? Or say we have a variable called rating. We store 4.5 rating. Imagine that's Play Store rating, right? And we had a variable called first underscore name, and then we set our name to it, right? So in double quote, and then we have John. So one thing I just want to let you know is that all of these are actually variables, right? So the first name, the rating, the age, and everything stores values. So all these 4.5, 66, well, everything is just simply data. Okay, so in simple terms, all these your variables are storing a data, right? But this data, they are different. This one is like a number, like a decimal. This one is more like a text, right? And actually they have different data types. Okay, so that's what we'll call that, and that's the topic we are treating. We are treating the different kinds of data that can be stored by a variable. So the different kinds of data that can be stored by a variable, we have this first one called string. Okay, now in simple terms, a string is just anything inside a double quote, a single quote. It's just simply a string. So instead of me calling that a text, well, we would rather use the word string. Okay, and that's how it's all being called in most programming languages, not just Python. Okay, so a string is just a text. Okay, and that's it. And then we have the next one, which is an integer, and is int in short. Integers are just whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if it's a negative number, maybe -2, okay, it's still regarded as an integer. We have the next one, which is float. A float is just simply a decimal. Even if it's a negative decimal, maybe 2.3, a decimal is a decimal, but we simply call it float in Python. And you can see the examples I've labeled here. And then we have the last one, which is simply a boolean. A boolean is one of two values. A boolean can either be a true value or false. And say you are watching this video right now, that is true. If you are not, then that will be set to false. Okay, so these are the main data types we are going to be treating for this particular video, and we have more data types. However, these data types are just simply more advanced. We have data types like list, tuple, set, dictionary. These are data types we'll be talking about later in the video. For now, we would only focus on the 4 main types that we simply need as beginners. So what you want to do is to go back to your Python file, your Python IDE rather, and we are going to create a new file. So this is going to be the second topic this time around. So select Python file, and we are going to name this 02 underscore data types. Okay, you don't need to put the py, but if you're still new, you can always use your .py. Okay, so we now have this Python file now. So let's actually create these variables we did earlier. So let's create a variable called name, and I'll simply set this name to blacks. Okay, so that's the name now. Cool. And well, let's create another variable again. Let's create a variable called age, and I would set that to 66. Okay, let's create another variable called rating. Okay, so rating this time, let's set that to 4.9 because maybe my app is very good on Play Store and App Store. Let's create another variable. Now this variable we are creating is to check if you are online or offline on Facebook or Discord, right? So let's create a variable called is underscore active, and this can either store true or false. If you're active, it could be stored as true. Mind you, you don't start with a small letter t when you are using the true. Okay, in Python you must start with a capital letter T like this, right? And if it is going to be false, capital letter F. Okay, so this is simply it. But if we take a deeper look at it, what I just simply want to explain here is that all of these variables here, name, age, rating, is active. Remember, they are called variables, right? They are all storing data. So we have this data, we have this data, we also have this data. Now all of this again are simply called data, okay? But the data they are all storing are simply different, right? Now the data that this one stores is more like a text, right? But we don't call it a text. I already mentioned what it's called. It's simply called a string. Now this 66 is actually called not a number but an integer. In short, you write int. Now this rating, well, it's a decimal, but in Python we simply call it a float. And this false, so if it is false or true, now that's simply called a boolean, okay? But in short, it can just be written as bool, right? So these are the different types of data they are storing, and that's simply what we call data types, okay? So you can simply decide to check the data types of them, okay? Usually, you know, if you print name, you get the result right in your terminal. So if I just had to run this, of course you can see you have lags, right? But I'm not trying to print the variables this time, so let's delete the name. I want to check or let Python show us the data types themselves, right? So let's pretend we didn't know what data type this is, right? So inside of the print, there's a function called type of, like this. So inside the print, there's a function called type, okay? Or not type of actually. So there's a function called type, okay? Anything which is a function, just know it has parentheses at the end. For example, if I say I and I put parentheses, this is a function, okay? Because it has this parentheses, okay? So there's a function called type, and what type does is it gives you or returns the data type of a variable. So inside of this print, let's open a function called type. I just want to put space so you can see it clearly, though you shouldn't have space. So type, then open parentheses like this. So inside of it, let's pass in the name. So let's do the same thing for everything. If you want to copy down like I just did, just click anywhere on the line, then Ctrl D to duplicate down. So I'm just going to change this to age. I'll change the third one to rating, and then the last one to is active. Okay, so what I just simply want to do is to see the different data types. I'm not printing the variables. I don't want to see what's in the variable, but the data types. Now, if you actually check our console now, you can see it tells us the first one we printed now, the type of this name, okay? You know, we are using the type, the data type of this name is what it's telling us. It's telling us, oh, that's a string. The second one is an integer. The third is a float, and the last one is a boolean. Okay, so this is just what data type is in Python.